Hello everyone, I am Heaven Maivan and I will be teaching social science for class 6 to 8. Hello everyone, ngasi class 6 social science ki history part oina chapter number 11 Vedic civilization jai sigi matang da naina si. Vedic civilization da Vedic age karam kan bo lei ba habto duki yengse around 1500 BC a group of people from Central Asia settled on the plains of northern India. Central Asia daki mi khara India gi northern plain da settle torme. This group of people were called the Aryans. Moije khoine kai kore Aryans kore. The Aryans developed Vedic culture based on Vedas. Vedas ki matung ina moina Vedic culture ja moina develop torme. The Vedic period is broadly classified into two groups. Ani thona khaidomi Vedic period che kari no. Early Vedic period haibamne kam kanbo 1500 BC dagi 1000 BC bo. Adagi amana the later jina kai kore the later Vedic kore. Later Vedic period sina kam kanbo 1000 BC dagi 600 BC bo le man. The two Vedic periods can be known by their difference in their places of settlement, polity, socio-economic and religious activity. Sigi Vedic period anise magi difference se kaina khaido ke haban da mogi settlement adagi mogi politics laira adagi mogi social and economic activities adagi religious activities summa mayam je sumna khaido eba. First in the early Vedic period 1500 BC to 1000 BC ki maraki je sigi jana kadawi the Aryans first settled in the northern of India. Sumatamji da early Vedic matamda Aryan Singduna northern India da settle tormeba. In the later Vedic period, later Vedic period che kam kanbo 1000 BC dagi 600 BC bo. Sumkandana the Aryan settlement gradually spread to Indo-Gangetic plains. Moigi northern India le dagi spread toreba Indo-Gangetic plains bo. The Aryans, however, were the first people in India. Aryan Singjina India first people were to know the use of iron and brought horses along with them. Yot ki matang da khangba mi ahan bor me ba Aryan Singjina India da. Duga moije sagon ju porame Central Asia dagi lakpa matam da Northern India da. Moigi literature khar yengase Vedic literature. In the Vedic period, 4 Samhitas were written. Samhitas have the religious texts niko. Samhitas were written kai no. Rig Veda Samhita, Samaveda Samhita, Yajurveda Samhita, and the Arveda Atharva Veda Samhita. The first one was written in the early Vedic period. The first one have the kaino Rig Veda je. Rig Veda Samhita je early Vedic period matam da ikhibane. Politics ki matang diyengse. The administrative machinery of the Aryans in the Rig Vedic period worked with the tribal chief in the center. Sigi politics se sida kainam kanana makok oye sida tribal gi chief china makok orga mai makhada ataina loi leba mana rule to bhai tare ko. He was called Rajan. Maje kai korome Rajan kore. The chief was the protector of the tribe of Jana. Jana hariba tribe sigi mana protector su orami. Mana cattle su protect tawi, war su fight tawi aduga lai sing the mana offer pi aduga migi gift su lowe. Migi magi praja sing do adugi behalf the mana lai da offer to. Okay, makhatana the Rig Veda mentions several tribal assemblies. Rig Veda sida tribal assemblies me amler me have the tribal gi group kharle me. They were Sabha, Samiti, Vidhata and Gana. Sabha ne, Samiti ne, Vidhata ne, Gana se moigi tribal assemblies marini ko. In the day-to-day administration, the king was assisted by few functionaries. Nomagi administration tawbase sida ningthogi mateng se kanana pangami magi functionaries magi assistants haitare ko. The two most important assemblies of the Rig Veda period were the Sabha and Samiti. Haribe ngasagi marido adudagi important of assemblies Rig Veda ki matamdadi kana ore the Sabha and Samiti. Women attended Sabha and Vidhata in Rig Vedic time. Rig Vedic ki matam sida nupi shu jiki Sabha ga Vidhata hariba moigi assembly phambase sida nupi jingchu yawrammeba. In the later Vedic period, tribal authority tended to become territorial. Later Vedic period tadi lariba tribal mayam se moise territorial oning eba haibadi masa masagi aigi sigi jaga se aigi ni aduna nangini haiba pot ki lai. The term Rashtra, which indicates territory. Rashtra haibadi territory have, which indicates territory first appears in this period. Sigi period taneba rashtra na tongan ba lam magi territory khadorish. The formation of wider kingdoms made the king more powerful. Sumba magi kingdom je sauthorok padagi di ning thaudo adudo magi power se henkale. The king performed many sacrifices. King duna sacrifices mayama perform toromi. Lai the sacrifice pibani khangde haidi magi dawyana bani khangde aduguma sacrifice mayam piramem. In later Vedic times, the Vidhata completely disappeared. Ngasai hariba marido, tribal assemblies marido, adugida last leba Vidhata je, mase mangreb. Adagidi, women were no longer permitted to sit in the sabha. Ngasai sabha da women jing je phamhala me haidana, nupi sing je phamhala me haidana, sum kandedi nupi sing je phamhandreb. And it was now dominated by novels and brahmanas. Novels sing na aduga brahmanas sing na dominate tawkreb hojiki kenosi. Tribal assemblies. Hujigna social life of the Vedic period yengs. Social life mogi. Distinction in man to man, mi amaga tongan taba magi tongan but distinctive feature le jabado. Sige matang di yengsi. In the early Vedic period, the tribal society was divided into 3 groups. Group ahum thokna kharame. Group ahum thokpachida kana no warriors haibam ne, priest haibam ne, and the people. Warrior ne, priest ne, aduga the people. Praja sing se ko. The 4th division called the Sudras appeared towards the end of the Rig Vedic period. Sudrasana 4th division ma mari suba division ma Sudras koba ma karam kan yausale Rig Veda na loram dai chwaida yaure. Sudras. The later Vedic societies came to be divided into 4 varnas called the Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Sudras. Each varna was assigned with its duty. Hariba later Vedic period chida varna mari thona khaidoi hare. Brahmanas ne, Kshatriyas ne, Vaishyas ne, aduga Sudras ka. Hariba varna mari se moi gi tongan bi duty amamum loina lejeba loina pi. Kai duty ni yengse. Avdagi sida the Brahmanas masina kaidore highest position da lereba dugi leriba society dugi. The Brahmanas occupied the highest position in the society. They were expected to study and teach the Vedas. Moishina Veda se paba study tauba aduga mingon da takpak je mogi mathau orame. Perform yajnas and receive gifts. Puja tauba laida gift katpa avdagi gift lotion ba se mogi mathau orame. The Kshatriyas came next to the Brahmanas in the social hierarchy. Hairiba ngasai Brahmanas ne, Kshatriyas ne, Vaishyas ne, Sudra ne lere. Sigi the Brahmana na top lere second da kana la Kshatriyas la. Kshatriyas ki magi mathau jena kari. They were expected to be warriors and to protect the people. Kshatriyas ki kangu shina moise anamba loina warrior orame. Aduga mi ga magi leriba praja sing je si protect tawbase magi mathau oramba. Third ta kai la the third position was occupied by the Vaishyas. Vaishyas in a third position je occupy tawre ahum subda lere. Mogi duty na kari. They were expected to be farmers, herders, and traders. Mojina farmer guma trader guma sumagi shinpham je paiba mi se oirame. At the bottom of the hierarchy lay the Sudras. Last the kanala Sudras la. At the bottom of the hierarchy ngasai leribe hierarchy dugi khwai makhada. Their task was to serve the first 3 varnas. Leriba varnas ahumdo adudo serve to baje magi mathau orame. They could not perform any rituals like oiba thoramam tamoi pangthok pa yaramde. They were also deprived of this sacred thread ceremony. Sacred thread ceremony na upanayana malaiko adudo moije aduju moina tawba yaramde, which was granted to the higher 3 varnas. Adubu leriba varnas ahumdo magi mathakta leiba moida di yarame. Economic activities kharayangse moigi the early Vedics. The people of the early Vedics moigi agriculture economic activity matang the first agriculture ki yengase. The people of the early Vedic period seem to have been mainly pastoral agriculture. Was practiced to limited extent. Pastoral agriculture habidi kaino. Sanga je hena livestock je yokhatna bagidamakta napi singbi tharaga. Sanga na chanaba sanga gi machinjak tharaga sanga yokhatpa je sibu moigi primary practice orame moigi. Yam phajana torame yam chauna torame tui matungda keke laki dum yengsi sanga dana bulls were used to plow the fields. Bulls se san laba se sijina keno labu khoi bida sinarme. Canals were used to irrigate the field. Canals turian dagi lagpa canal macha macha jina field da ising pina ba sinarme. Wheat was the main staple diet. Moje men's diet che kai charame. Wheat charame. Gehu se. They also grew barley, beans, sesame and cotton. Barley ne, beans ne, sesame ne aduga cotton ju moi grow torme. In the later Vedic period tana agriculture became their main occupation. Moi occupation ja agriculture ja main occupation oreb. Rice was also cultivated extensively. Rice su pajana yam chauna cultivate torme. Animal rearing muyengs. The main occupation of the early Vedic period was cattle breeding. Mogi early Vedic ki matamda mogi main occupation je ke orame haba cattle breeding. The term for war in the Rig Veda is Gavishthi or search for cow. Mogi war gi term je Rig Veda matamda kai korme Gavishthi korme meaning na kari search for cows. Apart from cattle, they also domesticated horse, sheep, goat, dog and ass for different purposes. Cattle katana tana moi keno su lorami sagon su lorami sheep su lorami adagi goat su lorami dog su lorami aduga ass habati gatha se su lorami moigi tongan ba moigi purpose amam leijabagi ni ko sa sing dugi. Animal rearing also continued in the later Vedic period. Animal rearing se later Vedic period tasu adum continue torme. But the primary economic importance was shifted to agriculture. Mogi primary oiba economic importance se kanada pi kre agriculture. Agriculture lena mai onsen kre. Hoji economic ki activities makhada agriculture to kre. Animal rearing to kre hoji na mo industry la se. The Rig Veda mentions artisans like the carpenter, the chariot maker, the weaver, the leather worker, the potter, etc. Rig Veda gi matamda artisans kai kana mention tormi carpenters usuba, the chariot makers haidi moi adu matam gi sagona chingba sagon gari do adu saba kangu avdagi the weaver phi saba, the leather worker leather gi pochai saba and the potter chapu saba. Sijing they mention tormi. This indicates that they practice all these crafts. See crafts me amje. See practice toro me have se. They also knew various metals like gold, tin, copper, bronze, lead, silver, and iron. Hairiba sigi mayam se. Sigi metal mayam se. Siju khangam me ba moina. Metals known to Rig Vedic people. Rig Vedic people da moina khangba metals khara hoji high grade sida moigi maming jina kai kawi yeng se. Gold sina hiranya kaure. Iron sina shama kaure. Duga copper sina ayas kaure. Makatana, in the later Vedic period, many new occupations were developed. Occupation anubhamyam developed oreba later Vedic period. Some of them were chariot makers, dyers, washermen, bows and arrows maker, basket maker, etc. Nasagi sagon gari semba, adagi phi machu sangba, phi subami, adagi tenga tenjega sabami, basket sabami, suma mayam tholeb occupation mayam tholeb. The use of iron became common towards the end of the later Vedic period. Vedic period ki luramdai swai sida kadaure yot haibase iron je sizinaba hore yamde commonly oina. Okay, so makatana mogi Rig Vedas ki lai singing se kana moina worship torumge habado. The religion of the early Vedic period was simple. Yam simple orame. They worship the forces of nature in the form of gods and goddess. Kogi nature ki forces singje sije moina god aduga goddess ki form da moina latlame ising adagi nungshit adagi mai sumba poch. Indra was their most important god. Indrajina moigi khwaidagi important oiba lai orame. Other important gods worships were moina worship toramba atopa lai singdi kai kaino Agni, Varun, Soma, Yama. Moi singshina mo kana karam pot no habdo makhata na yengadoni mathangda sigi the female deities worshipped by them were Usha and Savitri. Female deities nupi gi saklon loba lai singjidana kana no moina ukeno tormise Ushaga Savitri. They also worship trees, particularly the people tree. Moise u su moina worship tormeba. Karamba u people tree. People tree de kaino koyari khongnangse. They prayed and offered simple sacrifices to the gods, seeking favors and boons. Moina laijing juda sacrifices kyama katlami, gifts kyama katlami. in favor of kari favors and boons akhoi si tawbiyo akhoi gi si anam je kohan biu na moide ni jabado katlaga na saigi akhoi na hai gi ba lai jing do nature gi forces sing je moina la le haitana adu karam ba lai jina karam ba nature gi forces no sum ba yeng se ba indra jina kai oire thunderstorm agni jina fire lerani varun jina water soma jina intoxicant drinks haibati yu gumba khoina hanjing na thakna ba lechina sumba jing ji intoxicant drinks kore yama dead sibse ushana dawn makatana in the later Vedic period Brahma Vishnu and Rudra emerged as the three important gods later Vedic period ta Brahma ne Vishnu ne aduga Rudra ga se mojina yamna maru oiba ahum warame Important female deities during the later Vedic age were Usha, Prithvi, Aryani, and Saraswati. Female deities nupi gi saklon lomba lai singdina kana important oiba mochida Usha ne, Prithvi ne, Aryani ne, aduga Saraswati ne. Prayers no longer remain the dominant mode of placating the gods. Prayers ja si khaktana lai ja saudana ba themba placating haibadi sauba handana ba sauba le ju handana ba tawbudu adugumato moina kijabagi ko laije saudana ba themba kan jida prayers khatang moina yaraktre ba karam ba lai moje sacrifices hawre sacrifices became far more important sacrifices haibadi koi gi sanga kat pa laida adugumato okay so ngasi gi oina khoi Vedic period ki khana khre Vedic civilization gi moigi Vedic ki jida varnas kana kaya lai ode Vedic ki moigi types kaya lai adugumba moigi agricultural economic activities ode moigi industry na kamai tawba duga karamba lai la lamba suma matang jo koi ngasi khana khre ngasi gi oini stelo shalasi aduga next chapter da atopa topic amamu nainarasi